Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to make an easy recipe that you can eat for lunch or dinner, and it's kind of like chicken pot pie, but it's handheld and it uses a different kind of crust, so I'm calling them chicken pie pockets. Our ingredients are frozen roll dough, mixed vegetables, cream of chicken soup, and shredded chicken. You can use leftover vegetables, leftover chicken, or you can get mixed vegetables from the freezer section that you can steam up real quick. You could use a rotisserie chicken to pull your meat from. Whatever you have on hand, you can make work. So I've got about 2 cups of shredded chicken and about 2 cups of mixed vegetables in a bowl, and they are cooked, and I am going to add 1 can cream of chicken soup. I'm going to mix this all together. Now if you want to add some other seasonings and get creative, whoever you're cooking for is open to that, then by all means you can definitely add some extra flavor. You want to keep it simple, just mix these 3 things together. I added some cracked pepper, a little bit of garlic, a little bit of thyme, and some sage, because sage goes really well with chicken. All right, my filling is ready. All right, so for the 2 cups of vegetables, 2 cups of chicken, and a can of cream of chicken soup, for that amount I have thawed 18 frozen dinner rolls. So it's raw dough that has thawed out, it's still cold, it's not risen. That's important. I am going to roll it out. I am not trying to roll it as thin as possible. Just want to flatten it. Okay. Now I'm going to take a second roll and roll it out to be about the same size. Okay. If one is a little bigger than the other, that's okay. And I would use it for the top if that happens, but you'll see why in a second. We are going to heap up about a 1/4 cup of our chicken and vegetable mixture and leave a border along the edge. That's important. So we're going to take the other piece of dough, put it over the top, and then we've got to seal the edges really tight so that the 2 pieces of dough become like 1 piece of dough around the edge. See that? Okay. Now this is ready to go on a baking sheet. Right, I've got my little pockets on a baking sheet with parchment paper, and I'm going to let them rise for about 30 minutes to an hour. It depends on how warm your kitchen is, but once they start to puff up a little, they are ready to go in the oven, and they're going to bake at 350 for about 20 minutes. So here is what one of the chicken pie pockets looks like when it's finished baking. Now, the great thing about these is that you can hold them in your hands and eat them without a fork or knife, but it's still pretty hot, so I'm going to use a knife just to show you what the inside looks like rather than bite into it and show you. Ta-da! See, there's our filling. Mmm, yummy, yummy. You should really try these. Our story today is Chitchat by Janie Bynum, published by North South. Baby Chick has a lot to say. Beep, 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 beep. Make it stop. Beep, beep, beep. I'm too busy to chat, clucked Mama. Talk to Papa. Peep, peep, peep. Not now, I'm working, crowed Papa. Talk to Sister. Peep, peep, peep. Maybe later, squawked Sister. Go play. But Baby Chick has a lot to say. Peep! Peep, 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 peep. Peep, 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 peep. So Baby Chick chatted alone. Peep, 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 peep. Bonk. Peep! Peep. The big round egg didn't answer. Peep, peep, peep. The big round egg still didn't answer. Baby Chick couldn't leave the big round egg all alone. Peep. Baby Chick, is that an egg in your wagon? Squawked Sister. Baby Chick, where did you get that egg? Crowed Papa. Baby Chick, that's not your egg, clucked Mama. Put it back, please. Baby Chick tried to explain. Peep, 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 peep. Baby Chick took the big round egg back. Baby Chick kept the big round egg safe. Peep! And warm and up to date on barnyard news. Peep, 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 peep. Until Baby Chick was peeped out. Let's hit the hay, Baby Chick. Not even a peep? Baby Chick woke up with a lot to say. Peep, 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 peep. But the big round egg was gone. Peep. Peep, peep. Peep, peep, peep. Peep. Baby Chick's new friend didn't have a lot to say. And that was perfectly okay. The end. Oh, Baby Chick made friends with the turtle. I gotta tell you, the first time I read that book, I thought that was not gonna turn out to be an egg. I thought it was just gonna be a rock and it was gonna have a sad ending. But I had a happy ending. Baby Chick made a new friend and had someone to talk to since she has so much to say. All right, I've got a couple other really cute books to recommend. Good books. Count Your Chickens. Really, really adorable illustrations. And the words rhyme, and it's just really cute. It's chickens at a fair. This page says, chicken clowns in floppy shoes. Moody chickens sing the blues. And then at the very end, it asks you how many, and it's different from different scenes in the book. How many chickens are sitting on the stoop? How many chickens are knitting? Etc. So really cute. You can go back and really explore the pictures because they are very cute. And then this other book that I want to tell you about, it's so neat. It's called Chickenology, the Ultimate Encyclopedia. And it tells you, just about everything you could ever want to know about chickens, about their parts, about how they lay eggs, about interesting things that chickens have done. It tells you about breeds of chickens. It tells you about the eggs, and tells you about chicken houses, and just anything pretty much that you could want to know about a chicken you can find in Chickenology. So this is my nonfiction selection today. Very cool. And that's actually a new book, and so is Chitchat. So you've probably not come across those yet, but I would highly recommend them. That is all the time I have for today, so I'll see you next time.